Welcome to Real Estate from a Chicken's Perspective. Ladies, this morning we were talking about a couple of key things to keep saying to yourself over and over again. What's your home search mantra? And a couple of those words are patience and persistence. Because you have the luxury of not being in an incredible hurry, you're able to stay the course, wait for the right house, wait for the right timing, and for your offer to be the best in this stiff competition. And now, with the pandemic, we've progressed to a point where open houses are being allowed again with very strict limitations. Only a certain number of people, very few, in the house at one time to help limit exposure. So keep capitalizing on your one-on-one time with your agent to schedule through showing time to view houses, minimize your exposure, and find your dream home. We'll see you next time on Real Estate from a Chicken's Perspective. Have a great day.